Hey guys, Lester here with a quick tip from the workshop. I noticed a lot of questions popping up from people having issues with sanding and polishing river tables. Here I'm working on a cribbage board game for my girlfriend and I wanted to share how we do the finish. Epoxy resins are best sanded wet to keep them cool and get a more uniform finish. Now with the exposed wood that would not be the smartest idea, I guess. So what I learned is to use furniture oil instead. I use a teak oil, which is mostly boiled linseed oil, but I guess anything works really. So I already went through the grits, started at 120 and worked my way up to 1000 grit paper. Now I start with the wet sanding, 1000 grit again, then 1500 and 2000. Ideally you really want to go up to 3000, but in this case I didn't have anything on hand, so I just skipped that. The best thing about this method is that it not only helps with the surface quality on the epoxy, but the slurry fills in the porosity of the wood, which makes it more robust in use and leaves a perfect silky finish. After that all you have to do is a little bit of polishing and you're done. Do you have a different method or anything else you want to share? Let me know down in the comments. Cheers and have a good one.